how to build bathroom vanity cabinets faster. Step by steps I will be showing you in this video. So where do you start? The very first thing that you are going to do is to find an inspiration design. So in this case, we are going to find that design in the Sprouse, which is my favorite website for checking out amazing designs. So I did find this one at the very last page. So in general, what are you going to get from this video? In the very end of this video, you'll be getting the DIY construction plans, aka shop drawings, to build this vanity. So stick around. Very first thing that I'm going to do in this video, I'll be making the 3D model and then going to make the production files, and then at the very last I'll be very slowly showing you the shop drawings with cut list that you can screenshot, or maybe send me an email and I'll send you the drawings so that you can build your own vanity. So again guys, welcome to Fineline Millwork Drawings. My name is Joseph and I specialize in making production millwork drawings. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching.